Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 67 of Campus This Week. I'm Ajinish from English Department Sonada, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Salesian Siliguri, 42 years manufacturing sports commodities. Siliguri, BCA starts 5-day pilot project in service learning. Salomi of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
The BCA departments of Siliguri and Sonada campuses started a pilot service learning project in collaboration with Hong Kong Polytechnic University on 29 July 2022. The project aims with students' collaboration, teach and learn how to implement and use the artificial intelligence and machine learning using mathematical model of data to help a computer learn without direct instructions. This also enables a computer system to continue learning and improving on its own based on experience. In Siliguri campus, groups of 20 students from Nirmala Convent School and Auxilium Convent School are taking part in the 5-day workshop. In Sonada campus, 3 schools are participating, namely Green Hill 20, Sai Sundaram 11 and St. Xavier's School 9. The program is mainly for 5 days. There was 2 sessions per day. Morning session started from 10:30 to 12:30 and the second session started from 2 to 4. The final day had an inter-school competition between workshop participants.
Siliguri, students across departments participate in theatre workshop. Diksha Kafley of English Department, 5th semester, reports.
The Department of English began a 2-month theatre workshop from 2nd of August 2022. Assistant Professor Vasudeva Naidu, a theatre personality with some 11 years of experience with the craft, is the mentor. It began with an enthusiastic response from students belonging to different departments. The workshop aims at training participants to develop a synchronized approach in terms of practice with the craft of Natya. In the sessions, Mr. Vasudeva gave emphasis on toning and developing the body, along with voice among other aspects as crucial in the craft of dramatics. Voice and breathing exercises, the deconstruction of the familiar body postures, facial expressions and gestures were honed through exercises, theatre games and training. The workshop will culminate in a theatrical production at the end of September during Hay Fever, an English department organized event.
Here's good news. IGNOU MBA is now available at Salesian College Siliguri Study Center. You may register for any one of the 4 MBA courses: MBA in Financial Management, MBA FM, MBA in Human Resources Management, MBA HM, MBA in Marketing Management, MBA MM, and MBA in Operations Management, MBA OM. The eligibility criteria is BA pass with minimum 50% for general category and 45% marks in case of reserved. The course duration is minimum 2 years to maximum 4 years, with a fee structure of Rs 15,500 per semester. To apply online, log in to ignoadmission.samad.edu.in by 12th of August 2022. Next chance for MBA application is in January 2023. So hurry up and register now.
Sonada, Don Bosco University interns meet Radio Salesian listeners in Mirik. Intern Pritha Chakraborty reports.
Radio journalists of Radio Salesian and 5 interns from Assam Don Bosco University went for a field trip to Mirik, a hill station and subdivision of Darjeeling on Saturday 30 July 2022. Starting from Salesian College at 8:15 am on a 2-hour drive, the group stopped at Simana Viewpoint on Indo-Nepal border and had breakfast. The team then proceeded to Mirik Lake, where they met with many regular listeners, and among them was Mr. Rupen Kumar Tamang, lovingly called Theba Jojo. Mr. Theba Jojo is a regular listener of Radio Salesian. During the mic sharing session, he had a good conversation with each and every intern. Theba Jojo felicitated all team members with a traditional silk scarf and treated everyone with snacks and a good lunch. After which, the group had a lakeside walk. Before leaving Mirik, at 4 p.m., interns gifted Mr. Theba Jojo a surprise present.
Sonada, students learn language of cinema and art of filmmaking. Prabakar Khawas, Mass Comm Department, 3rd semester, reports.
The 5th semester students of Mass Communication began the Film Studies paper with Assistant Professor Shruti Chetri. A graduate of Cygnus Asia Cine Literacy program, Ms. Shruti is incorporating what she learned from the Cygnus Asia Cine Literacy workshop that she had attended last year. Drawing inspiration from resource persons who had addressed the workshop participants, she is making use of the ICT available and supplementing her lectures with engaging PowerPoint presentations and film clips. In the process, students dissect films shot by shot and analyze scene by scene by showing video clips with explanations. The students are also here to interpret and discuss the scenes, which makes for an active and lively class.
Siliguri, 40 students attend Young Indians event on goal setting and achieving success. Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
Some 400 young Indian members of many schools and colleges, including 40 students of Salesian College Siliguri, participated at the Mindset Coach, motivational speaker and author Mr. Rahul Kapoor's event held at GD Goenka Public School. Young Indians group in college has a vision to be recognized for creating an environment which promotes entrepreneurship as a tool for developing India. Mr. Kapoor led the seminar very effectively and enthusiastically, imparting information and motivation in the most interesting and engaging way. The participants were handed a self-assessment booklet as part of the session. The 90-minute workshop ended with everyone receiving participation certificates containing a copy of the knowledge card personally signed by late President of India and rocket scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Siliguri, class reps installation ceremony held. Pratyusha Singha of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
The Deanery of Arts and Humanities, Salesian College Siliguri organized an installation ceremony for the 3rd and 5th semester CRs on 29 July 2022. The CRs of the 4 schools, namely School of Psychosocial Praxis, School of Literature, Media and Polity, School of Education and Social Studies, and School of Performing Arts, were felicitated with khadas. Vice Principal of Arts and Humanities, Father Dr. Saju Puttusari, read out the formula for installation. The Science Deanery had a similar installation ceremony on 30th of July. The CR investiture ceremony is scheduled to be held on August after the first semester students elect their CRs.
And here's our photo of the week. Master Ajinish Pradhan of Salesian College Siliguri, Department of Geography, 3rd semester, died in a bike accident on Sukna Road on Saturday night, 30th of July 2022. Campus This Week team prays for the repose of his soul and extends heartfelt condolences to bereaved family. This show is brought to you by Silco Siliguri, 42 years manufacturing sports commodities. Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.